Okay, so today we're putting this big pipe thing in the ground and making it all nice and strong. It's called a monument, which is like a fancy hat for the pipe so nothing breaks it. First, you gotta clean the area so the ground isn't all bumpy and crazy. Now you mix up this super fast concrete. It's like magic mud that goes hard really quick. You put water in, stir it up, and it starts working straight away. Then you smoosh some concrete around the bottom of the pipe. It's like glue. It helps make little seats so the next bit doesn't wobble. Okay, now you take the metal part and put it over the little pipe. Then squish it into the concrete really hard so it won't even move a tiny bit. After that, you put this huge donut thing around the metal part. It's like a wall, so the concrete doesn't run away. Then you have to scoop all the concrete inside. You want to fill every little space, so once it dries into rock, it stays really strong. You might have to poke it a bit so it snuggles into the bottom. Then you gotta smooth the top with a big flat thing. It's kind of like a cake, but I'm not allowed to eat it. Okay, there we go. After you make the top all smooth and pretty, you get to put the dirt back around it. You just shovel it in to fill the gap so it doesn't look like the cover is sitting in a big muddy donut. And then you press it all down, sometimes with your feet, so the ground isn't all soft and bumpy. Now you get to pour the sand inside the metal cover. You keep adding more because that helps everything stay steady and stops stuff from getting inside. And that's it. The little pipe is inside the big pipe, and the concrete keeps everything safe forever. Now it won't fall over or get squished. Look, a plane. Maybe they can see our new monument from up there. Anyway, the end.